Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix black screen on Facebook iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is open up your settings app and then scroll down and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and here scroll down and then tap on Facebook. Now tap offload app and then tap on upload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issue that you are facing. Now instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that reinstall app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is just try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is go to the app store and then on the search bar simply type in Facebook, and once that loads, tap on the Facebook app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing issue you are facing, so a simple update should fix the issue. And once that's done, go back and then try again, and that should fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.